what's up everyone? Jay here, and in this video I'm going to be doing, actually I just got done creating a video for my YouTube channel, and I'm using a tool I've been using for about probably a couple years now, a long time, and it's called FlexClip. If you like what you see in this video, there's going to be a 40% off discount directly below in the video description box, and if you're a student, you're going to get a big discount. So check out that link. If you're a student watching this, you need something like this video editing software for school or something else like that, you want a nice discount, there's going to be a huge discount below, like I said, in the video description box. So what I'm going to do here is, like I said, I've been using this video editing software for a couple years now, and I've used quite a few of them. This is my favorite for actually editing videos because it's the way it's set up. It's super easy to use, and I'm going to take you through it. I'm going to upload the video here, edit the video, show you some of the features, and then end the video. I thought I'd make a quick video. I haven't done one for a while with FlexClip, and I use it like almost daily. So I might as well kill two birds with one stone and show you how to use it. So what we're going to do here first is upload the video. I'm in my control panel of FlexClip. We're going to click Browse, and we're going to go over to, I use the ice cream screen recorder, one of them. And we're going to go to the video I just created. We're going to find it, and it's right here. And we're going to upload it. There it is right there. And we're going to click all you do when you upload it is you click the plus button, and it adds it. It's going to add it directly below at the bottom of the screen if you watch. And you can see it's already there. There's the video. But what I did at the beginning of it is I put an intro. This is my favorite intro. There's a ton of them. But I love this intro. I'm going to play it real quick. Let me play this for you real quick. I've got to edit it, obviously, but here's what it looks like. So that's the intro. And what we're going to do first is we're going to edit the intro. And this is where the video begins, right here. And I'm going to show you how to use this real quick. It's so easy. It's beginner friendly. Trust me, I'm not Steven Spielberg. I'm far from it. I'm not producing blockbuster hits here. I'm just trying to make my videos look a little better, look nice, look professional, but I'm not going all out. So if you're a beginner, this is going to be this is a good tool for you to use to edit videos easily. You got a text button here, media, templates, subtitles, videos, images, audio, elements, effects, tools. I'll take you through that as I go along this video here. But what we're going to do first here, we got to make sure we're at the beginning where the intro's at, right here. And we're going to hit text. I like to make this super simple. And we're going to click, you could do modern titles, text styles, text mass, social media, logos. You got pretty much everything. I keep it simple. Like I said, I'm not Steven Spielberg, so I'm going to click excuse me, I'm going to click the basic text, the border. And we're going to put the title right here. We're going to delete the logo because I don't want that there. So we'll click delete. So what we're going to do here is put in the name of the video that I'm creating for my YouTube channel that I just created, that I'm editing. And we're going to paste that here. I think I still have it copied, but we're going to see. Nope, that's a link you're going to go to. What we're going to do here is we'll go back over here and get the exact title of this video, and this is it right here. I just did a review on a product, so I'm going to go over to here again, go back, no big deal. We're going to go back here, we're going to paste that title in here. Go high level 2025 all-in-one CRM that replaces 10 tools. No BS. I'm going to take out the year because we're more than halfway through 2025 now. I don't want to edit at a later date. I'll put that in the title, though, and change it later. If you want to do the animation, you can do that with the text. You can see all the different animations you can do with it. However you want to make it look, you can do that. I'm going to use none. You got style, but you got a ton of different options here you can do. Enter, pop-up, slide, zoom in, flips, rotates, you name it, they got it. Style right here, I like this one. But you can do outline, underline. Go through and find out the one that looks the best for you, and obviously pick that one. we're going to go with, I always tend to go with this one for some reason. I just like the way this one looks. We're going to put this in the middle. Or actually, we'll put this right here. And then I want to have something that at the bottom that kind of, this would be an element effect that represents Go High Level. It's an all-in-one CRM. It's a tool for business owners, marketers, all that good stuff. So we want something that's going to be somewhat in line with, tools. We'll just hit tools here. See what it comes up with. It's got kind of funny little emojis and stuff that represent tools. Find one we like, and we can add it right in there. I'll show you how to do that here. Here's a toolbox. Here's a tool and a wrench. That looks pretty cool. We can hit play. Let's see what it looks like. All right, listen. Pretty cool. I like that actually. That looked pretty cool as is. But you can the same thing when you're adding an element. You can add different effects to it. If you don't like the effect that it gives you, come back here and add different effects to it. So that's pretty easy to do. So we're gonna go back here. Make sure we're at the beginning again. Right here. Center it properly. I'm going to make this super easy. And then we got to name this. And this is where you name it, where it says untitled up here. Control plus V. Hit outside the box. It's updated automatically. You're good to go. Play it. All right, not bad. I could do better, but not bad. We're going to go to the end here. And this is the actual video itself. Say I want to put a link in here. We're going to go to the actual video itself. I want to put a link in here because I want to guide people to what it is that I'm promoting. So what we're going to do here is go back to my trusty text. And there's different ones you can use. This is the add heading. If you don't like it, all you do is click the trash can on the far right. It gets rid of it. The background one. I like the border one. Like I said, I'm not Steven Spielberg. And we can paste something right here. Just to tell people that the links are below. Remind them when they're watching the video. We can make it smaller. By right here, you can change the font. Like I said, this is super easy to use. There's bold. It's all right here in front of your face. Animation style. It automatically saves. You see it just saved right now. So you don't have to worry about that. It's super, super user-friendly, especially for beginners. So if you're not like Steven Spielberg or, the greatest video producer online, you just want something that's professional that you can do a lot with, but it's easy to use, this is going to be the tool you're going to want to get your hands on. We'll just leave it like right there. And it should be automatically, as you can see, I'm clicking different parts of the video. Links, it's going to be all the way through there. We'll put this up a little bit so it's out of the way of my actual video while making it look good. Right here. That looks pretty good. It's out of the way of the actual video, and people can, it's right in your face. You can actually see that. Remind them that the links are below. Check it out. So we're going to go over to the end of this video now. I'm not going to do anything crazy. And we're going to go, see where it says the plus? We're going to do an ending for this video. And I like to keep it simple. No shocker there, right? Thanks for watching. You can remind them links are below or whatever you want. You put your website link, whatever you want. I'm just going to put thanks for watching. We're going to change the style back to 3D. Animation. We can do burst. I like that one. We'll keep that. We're going to go back to elements. And we're going to put in popcorn. Like you're watching a movie, right? It's a YouTube video. We're going to Click on the popcorn, hit enter. Put that right underneath. Make it bigger, obviously. You can just, on the far right one, you know, slide out to the right. Far left, slide out to the left. Makes the image bigger. Pretty easy. Hit play. See what it looks like. And that's it. We are done. That's how you do it. Now what I hit now is I hit export. And it's going to
All right, listen, if you're running a business, agency, coaching program, e-com store,
so this
or
is
any
saved
type
right
of
now.
online business,
I want to show you a little bit
offer,
more of the features.
You're probably juggling a dozen different tools.
Sorry, I was playing when I was talking. I want to show you some more of the features that's not inside what I'm actually showing you, this demo here. So I'm going to go back to the front of FlexClip and just show you around the dashboard a little bit. Then I'm going to go back here, hit export, show you how that works, and you're good to go. So what we're going to do here, it's already saved, so I'm good on that. So I don't got to worry about it. I can leave. And there it is right there, my recent projects. I just go back to it. This is a home, projects, templates, AI tools, favorites, cloud space, create a team. And these are your templates. I want to show you this real quick before I show you me actually creating the video. Getting ready to download, to upload it to YouTube or TikTok, wherever you want to, you know, Facebook, wherever you, Instagram, wherever you want to download your video to, or all of them. These are different intros. What I'm going to do is click. You've seen this one already. This is another one. Old movie trailer. This is pretty cool. How cool is that? Well, you got basically anything for if you're a tradesman, you need something for a trade, for your school. You got everything. If you're a marketer, you got every kind of template you want. Intro, actual templates you can edit. As you can see, I'm going down. You can look at my screen and kind of see, get an idea of what travel right here. Of what they have, yoga. You got hair salons, happy birthday ones, real estate agencies, beer bar. Juice blender, if you're in the health and fitness niche, you got that. New juicy grape flavor, this is pretty cool, whatever that is. Air conditioning repair service. So you got templates you can start with if you want to do that, and then make them where they're already professional and just kind of add your voice to them. But you can see as I'm scrolling down here, there is a ton of templates. And I'm kind of scrolling down fast, and I'm still not at the end. And I'm going to go all the way to the bottom here, kind of show you podcasts, fitness, like I said, you name it, they have it. It's literally stacked with templates, and then they keep adding to it all the time as well, which is a huge plus. And then I'm at the end finally. So as you can see how much scrolling I got to do through all these templates. So no matter what niche you're in, they're going to have you covered if you need a template, is what I'm getting at with this. And if you need a blank template, which I do a lot of times, you just click create blank template and you're good to go. We're going to go back to this video again. This Steven Spielberg blockbuster hit I just created. Now, that's a good video, but yeah, like I said, I don't get real in depth with the editing. But you can with this tool. You can do anything. What, do you want to keep it simple? What I like the best about this is so easy to use because you got images. Pops up with images you can add to it. Videos. Different kinds of videos and business, background. You can actually get to it from right here as well. I wanted to show you it on the home page though. Inside the dashboard. Technology, different categories. Elements. I just kind of showed you that in the video. There's a ton of them. You got effects you can add to the video. Brush, golden, texture, element. And these add effects more into the video that'll go throughout the video. Very cool. Tools. You got an AI video creator, AI auto subtitle, video script, AI image to 3D animation. You got a bunch of old, see all these different tools they have here? Audio, translator, record voice, record video. You name it, they have it on here. Subtitles, you can add that. Text, they got an AI built in. Media, and that's the media we just did. Templates, like I said, we already went through that. But this is FlexClip, 40% discount, link directly below. If you're new to video editing, trust me, this is the one you want to get your hands on. It's anybody can use it. You can figure this out in literally an hour. I did when I first got it, and I'm still not a huge my video editing expert by any means. I'm decent at it, but I'm not. There's people that are a lot better than I am. Trust me. And if I can figure out in an hour, you can as well. And it's super easy to use. And then one more thing I can add. If you add something that comes up here, and it's not sometimes like, say this hammer and wrench, they disappear when you hit play before this does, the title does. All you got to do is it'll come up top here, and all you do is slide it over to where you want it to end. Hold your left mouse key. Just drag it over like this, and then put it to where you want to end. And then that specific, whatever you put into your video, is going to end where you want it to end. So that's a tip I can give you. But other than that, it's super easy to use, like you just seen. So check it out. 40% discount directly below. I'm going to end this video with hitting the export button because we're already done with the video. And I'm going to do it. And they got 480p, 720p, 1080p, 4K. 4K takes a long time. 1080p is not bad at all. Depends how long your video is. You got a frame rate and quality. I just do 1080, recommended quality, hit export. And here we are. And it tells you how long it's going to take to download. It tells you the progress right here. When it's done, it's going to automatically download and be ready for you to upload to YouTube with all your edits in place. And you can also share it here and all that good stuff. So with that being said, that's the video. Check out FlexClip, man. It's awesome. It's easy to use. And if you're a beginner or a student or a marketer who wants something easy to use, wants a video editing software, this has got your name all over it. So thanks for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video. Have a great day. Bye-bye.